Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Embody. Embody means be expression of idea of quality. For example, a team that embodies competitive spirit and skill. A team that embodies competitive spirit and skill. Synonyms: personify, incorporate, give human form to.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. This idea embodies low expectations about economic development. Now, repeat after me. This idea embodies low expectations about economic development. The second exemplar. How, specifically, were these ideas embodied in the books themselves? Now, repeat after me. How, specifically, were these ideas embodied in the books themselves? The third exemplar. Models can also be called upon to embody moods or ideas. Now, repeat after me. Models can also be called upon to embody moods or ideas.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah mat, meaning the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.